Want to travel under $30 a day? Think it's impossible? Well, you're in for a surprise. Today, we're tearing down the myth that traveling has to be expensive. We'll delve into the challenge of globe-trotting on a tight budget and introduce you to the top 5 budget travel hacks that seasoned travelers swear by. From off-peak travel to local eateries, these tips are sure to make your wallet breathe easy. Stay tuned, these hacks might just change the way you plan your next trip. Starting with Hack 5, off-peak travel. Timing is everything. Have you ever considered traveling during off-peak times? It's a great way to stretch your budget and experience your dream destinations without breaking the bank. Off-peak travel offers numerous advantages. For one, flights and accommodations are often cheaper, making it easier to stay within your budget. Secondly, tourist spots are less crowded, allowing you to enjoy the sights and sounds without battling throngs of tourists. But how do you identify off-peak periods? Well, it varies depending on the destination. For tropical locations, the off-peak season often coincides with the rainy season. For ski resorts, the off-peak period is usually during the warmer months. It's best to do a bit of research about your chosen destination beforehand. So next time, try to plan your trip during the off-peak season. It could save you a ton. On to Hack 4, street food and local eateries. Say goodbye to pricey restaurants. One of the best ways to experience a new place and save money is by indulging in the local food scene. Street food and local eateries offer a rich tapestry of flavors that capture the essence of the region's cuisine. You'll be amazed at the culinary gems you can discover at a fraction of the cost of a fancy restaurant meal. But how do you find these hidden treasures? Simple. Follow the locals. They know where to find the tastiest, safest, and most affordable bites in town. Don't shy away from bustling food markets, food trucks, and hole-in-the-wall eateries. These are often the places serving up the most authentic and delicious food. Remember, street food isn't just about eating on a budget. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture. So, don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and savor the local flavors. Your pocket and palate will thank you. Moving on to Hack 3, public transportation and walking. Ditch the taxis. Let's delve into the world of public transportation and, more simply, your own 2 feet. Opting for buses, trams, metros, or even bicycles can save you a significant amount of money compared to taxis or rentals. Plus, it's an authentic way to experience the city just like a local. Now, navigating public transportation might seem daunting, but fear not. Most cities, especially tourist-friendly ones, have comprehensive maps and guides available online and at stations. There are also numerous apps that can assist you in real time. Walking, on the other hand, costs nothing at all and allows you to immerse yourself in the city's atmosphere. You'll stumble upon hidden gems that you wouldn't notice from a vehicle. Remember, while it's important to save money, it's equally important to enjoy the journey. So, strap on your walking shoes and get ready to explore. We're at Hack 2, free activities and attractions. Who said fun has to be expensive? In most cities around the globe, there's a wealth of free activities and attractions just waiting to be discovered. Museums often have days where admission is free. Parks are always open for a leisurely stroll, a picnic, or even a sunrise yoga session. Local festivals offer a glimpse into the culture and traditions of the place, and they usually don't charge an entrance fee. So how do you find these hidden gems? Simple, do a quick online search, check out local tourism websites, or ask the locals for their recommendations. You'd be surprised at how much you can do without spending a dime. So remember, the best things in life are free. And finally, our top hack 1, budget accommodations. Luxury isn't always better. Budget accommodations such as hostels, budget hotels, and vacation rentals offer more than just a place to rest your head. They provide an authentic experience, a chance to meet fellow travelers, and yes, they are kind to your wallet too. When choosing these accommodations, safety and comfort should be your top priority. Look for places with good reviews and ratings, use trusted platforms that offer a variety of options and filter features to suit your needs. Don't forget to check the location. A central location can save you transportation costs. So next time, swap the fancy hotel for a budget-friendly option. You'll be surprised at how much you save. And there you have it, the top 5 budget travel hacks that can help you travel under $30 a day. From off-peak travel, local food, public transit, free attractions, to budget accommodations. Remember, traveling on a budget doesn't mean skimping on experiences. So pack your bags and start exploring.